Yes guys, what's going on? We're just leaving Bologna now, heading to Estepona and then to San Pedro tomorrow for the ITV, for the MOT. It's been a lot of rain falling in the last 3 or 4 days, so good to have a break in the rain. So here we go, off to the MOT and wish us luck. Yes guys, up early this morning. We are in Estepona. After breakfast I hit the road and headed for the ITV in San Pedro. It's chaos today, passing the ITV. It's got to take this out, apart, blah blah blah. Here in the ITV centre. This is long, half hour late, which is unusual. I've never had it where it's been late. Right, just been called just as I got the video up. It's been called, so that's me. Wish me luck. Had a bit of a tough day yesterday, to be fair. I failed the ITV, the MOT on the van, so it put me in a bit of a difficult one. About 4 or 5 things that we picked up. One of them was the muebles, the units again, which was picked up 6 months ago. I did dismount the main one, but yeah, it wasn't enough. They want it completely taken apart. So that was one which it needed a world. But the motor is starting to leak quite a bit of oil, so that's down as a leve. That's down as like a minor thing to look at. And then one of the wheel bearings needs to be sorted. I'm just very much a bit like sort of confused, to be honest. But I was walking on the beach earlier and I was thinking about it, like what it'd be like to just have, a pile of cash in my hand, no van, minimal stuff, just me and Maya. What would I do? And I feel like it'd be a nice thing to be in, even if it's for a few days or whatever, just to be in a space where to get some time to think, and I can use that time to work out what I want to do next. But for now, with everything all over the place, I spent some time moving bits around, trying to organise the chaos as best I can. Taking this unit out once again showed me just how difficult it was. I decided to spend the day making the whole process easier. Had to sand down some of the wood to make it all slide in and out much easier. I did at one point think about changing the orientation totally, but due mainly to the wiring, I decided to just focus on improving it as it is, cleaning away any mould or damage I might find underneath. When I did get it out onto the beach, I did notice a few areas where it needed to be treated and sanded down. Decided also to give the flooring a bit more glue. Always seems to ride up when the temperature inside the van reaches a certain point. Over the next few days, I more or less made my mind up that I was going to head back to England for a few weeks. Made a plan to leave the van in the garage and leave Maya with a friend of mine. I've left the van in the garage there, and now I'm heading to the airport. I was in Bologna with my mate, which was a little bit difficult, to be fair. I was feeling a little bit sad leaving her, but it's got to be done. And so for €18 I headed back to the UK for a week or so. These 10 days went by rather quickly. I put my focus into spending time with family, getting a bit of cash together. Sounds like there's been a fair bit of rain in Valencia and Malaga area, so yeah, we'll see. I think the weather's supposed to turn as of Sunday, so more or less when I'm back. So yeah man, excited to get back out there and get back to a little bit of winter sunshine. I must say it was quite a relief to be back in Estepona again, feeling the 10 degrees rise in temperature as I arrived. This time of year is perfect to come to these kind of spots with no one around. Off to collect my van from the taller, from the garage. I'm hoping that it ain't going to be too pricey, the Cuenta, but let's see. I've asked them to do everything to get it through the MOT, barring obviously taking all the wood out, which is what I'm going to have to do once I pick it up, but let's see what they say. Once again I came to Car Point in Estepona's Poligono. Big thanks to these guys once again for another job well done. Yes guys, what's going on? So back in the van, I've just done a tidy sum there on some repairs. might notice you can't hear the sound of the gear stick rattling around because I finally fixed it. The guy managed to get the tank down and sort that out. Now that I was back reunited with the van, it was time to head towards Bologna and go and pick up Maya, with of course the added bonus of a clear sky. Changing the lower ball joints, we changed the upper ball joints earlier this year, so we've done the lower ball joints, and then there's a few more things I'm going to do on Friday, but for now I'm going back to Bologna to get Maya because I miss her so much, man. This place never seems to lose its magic. Every time I come here I feel just as excited as the first time I did. And of course the view just speaks for itself. It's amazing to think that in the summer months there's queues running all the way back to the main road. All the more reason to come this time of year, as all the grass starts to grow back, whilst maintaining around 20 degrees through November. Yay, we're back, baby! We're back! Come on, let's go. I think we are going surfing later, but for now, just thought I'd get in, have a bit of a wash, have a bit of a swim. Yeah, baby, in we go. This for me is everything. I think this is one of the best beaches, best places to swim, cleanest ocean that I've found in Europe. I can't ask for more. Unreal, mate. Unreal. Come on. Buzzing. Bit of surfing later, I reckon, as well. Potentially a bit further down. Yeah! There's the energy. I always seem to sleep well when I'm parked up here. I put it down to a special energy this place contains. And it's always nice to be greeted in the morning by the horses. Looking forward to sharing the results of tomorrow's MOT revisit, but more on that next time. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Much love, guys.